In this clip, we'll be taking a look at how Zotero integrates with Microsoft Word. If you have the Word add-in installed, you should see a Zotero button as one of the ribbons at the top of Word. When you click on that, we'll see all the options Zotero has within Word. The first step is to go into Document Preferences and choose your citation style for your paper. You can use the Manage Styles button to add more if you need them. You can also change your style later, and the paper will automatically refresh to match the new style. The Refresh button below Document Preferences is used if you happen to edit a source within Zotero itself and then need to update it in your document. When you're ready to add a citation, select the spot in the paper you want it to go, and then click Add or Edit Citation. This will bring up a search bar which allows you to type in information to find any of the sources within your Zotero library. You can then click on the citation you want to add and it will appear in the bar. If you click on the citation within the bar itself, you can add more information as needed. Then, hit Enter to add the citation. You can add multiple citations to the same location in your paper if needed, or of course add them to other locations as well. Zotero will prioritize citations that have already been used in your paper when using the search bar. Zotero will automatically update footnote numbering if appropriate as well. When you're ready to add your bibliography, go to the part of your paper you want it to be, usually the end, and click Add or Edit Bibliography. It will automatically create a properly formatted bibliography in the citation style you selected for the paper. The bibliography will automatically update with any new citations you happen to add later, and the entire paper will update if you change your citation style within Document Preferences as well.